Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in as we discuss our decentralized e-commerce platform. Okay, a quick introduction to our R&D team. This is Dr. Cheng. He's the associate professor in supply chain and logistics over at the University of Houston at the College of Technology. Over here is Dr. Zhang. He's the assistant professor in cybersecurity and software engineering. He also teaches at the University of Houston. We also have Alan Sun. He's an MBA candidate and also a student at the University of Houston. And finally, myself, Andy Liu. I'm an undergrad student in supply chain and logistics technology. The purpose of our current research is to create a public blockchain. We want to develop an e-commerce platform that allows trading between users, such as buyers and a seller, to be able to trade any physical or digital good that has value to it. By utilizing blockchain, our platform is able to store crucial information in a new and revolutionary manner. Current trading platforms lack transparency and security, which can lead to things like counterfeiting and deceit. We implement various features that guarantee a total comfort between our users to be able to trade freely all over the world. We have developed a peer-to-peer platform that is based off the Ethereum blockchain, which is going to allow us to implement smart contracts to these transactions by our users. This is going to help us eliminate the need for a middleman or a third party. It also allows all users within our network to validate all transactions that are processed through this decentralized database. We offer a free open source application. This is built to provide everyone the ability to buy and sell freely. This means that there is no platform fees. There's zero, pretty much any fees. There's no monthly listing fee, no banks required, and of course there is no middleman. Our developers designed a very simple user interface, so it's actually really easy to navigate through our homepage, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So our homepage does consist of three sections. At the very top is our account information. This is where our users' public address and as well as their balance in Ethereum is located. Right beneath that is a tab to sell our product. This is where anyone in the market that wants to buy or sell an item, they can go ahead and press this button and it will place their item into the product list, which is right beneath this. The product list has all the items in the market that's available for everyone to see. It's just going to be a description of the item, the price that it's worth, and who it's sold by. And that's it. We designed it to be very user friendly with the easy adoption for anyone in the market that wants to buy or sell. And this is going to be the function codes for our homepage. Okay, so now I'm going to demonstrate how to buy and sell on our platform. You would start by logging into your account through MetaMask. And MetaMask is like a universal wallet for Ethereum, and it just adds the added security to everything, and also shows your accounts and the balance in Ethereum. But since I'm already logged in, we can go ahead and skip that part. But for the sake of the demonstration, we're going to have two accounts. Account 1, which will be the seller, and account 2, which is the buyer. So we're going to go ahead and log into account 1. And as I mentioned earlier, the account information has a public address located right here with the balance in Ethereum, which is about 13 Ethereum. So if a user wanted to go ahead and sell something on the market, they can go ahead and press this button here. And it's going to ask for a brief description, a name, and also how much you want to sell the item for. So we're going to go ahead and put just anything you would want to sell. Say textbook. And let's put it for 0.2 Ethereum. And just a description. It's a random textbook that's laying around right here. logistics textbook, okay? And then we press submit. It's gonna send us over to the confirmation page. Okay, so once we press submit, we're gonna deploy, the blockchain is gonna deploy a smart contract that will be confirmed on the blockchain, allowing everyone in the network to be able to view it. So press submit. And for us to check it, we can go to the top right, go back to MetaMask. And now we want to check the public ledger for our transaction. So right over here, it's going to send us over to the public ledger. And as you can see right now, it's showing pending confirmation. So our transaction is being picked up by a miner to process our transaction. But once that's done, our item will be listed on the product listing, and that's it. Alright, so after a few seconds, the tracking status will be shown as success, and that's it. That means that your product is on the product list. We can go back to our marketplace, and if we scroll down through our market list, or the product list, I'm sorry, you'll see your item has been logged into the list. And as you can see, it's sold by you, or in this case, the user account 1. Alright, and lastly, I'm going to show you how to buy an item on the marketplace. We're going to first switch the account to the buyer's account. And then we just got to refresh it. Okay, as you can see, the public address has changed. This address is assigned to the buyer. Alright, so just for example, if somebody's in the market to buy something, a particular item, whether digital or physical, all they have to do is scroll through the product list. And they can just, whatever they see that interests them, they can go ahead and press buy. So we're gonna buy this textbook over here because it looks interesting. Press buy. And once again, it's gonna pop up the confirmation page. The total is gonna be 0.207 Ethereum. So we press submit. Okay. And all we have to do is go back and go here. This is going to take us back to the public ledger. And as you can see, it's once again saying pending. It's going to take a few moments for it to process. Like I said earlier, it is being picked up by a miner to process our transaction. I do like to mention that everything that goes through the blockchain can be viewed by everyone in the network. So this creates a sense of transparency. Here we are. Now the status does say success, and that just means that our transaction has been successfully processed through the blockchain. And I do like to mention again that everything that you now all we have to do is just make a double check and just confirm that the buyer has received its funds. We just gotta go back, and as you can notice earlier, the balance in Ethereum was 13 point something, and now it's 14.2. It just shows that the buyer has received his funds, and of course you can go to the records. And we can just confirm it again. So there's actually multiple confirmations that you can check whenever you make a transaction. Pardon me. And yeah, so the seller did go ahead and sell that textbook to the buyer, and now this transaction is recorded on the blockchain. Okay, so I've shown everyone how to buy and sell using our trading platform. We just want to ensure everyone is able to buy in a matter of seconds. Our goal is to ensure a smooth user experience by providing a carefree environment to facilitate trading between all of our users within the network. Since all transactions are recorded on a public ledger, every user in the network holds a record of all these transactions. This means that any fraudulent records uploaded to the network will automatically be nullified due to the decentralized network. So with no central point of failure, our blockchain technology ensures that value is recorded with utmost accuracy for each transaction. So, some final thoughts. We need to transfer our prototype's closed network from testnet over to a live Ethereum platform. This is going to allow us to use real Ethereum as well as other financial institutions such as banks, accountants, etc., to be able to record live real transactions. Um, all of these transactions are going to have to be safeguarded by a cybersecurity system, which we will include into our project in the future. However, since all of this is beyond the scope of our research for now, in the future we are going to work on all of this. For everyone that's watched this video, I just want to thank you guys for viewing it. If you guys want to leave any feedback or have any questions, I left the contact information for our team members above, and we just hope that this video was helpful. So thank you so much and enjoy.